Hey, I know you must have heard about affiliate marketing in Kenya, right? So in today's video, I'll show you everything you need to know and how to get started immediately. Here is what you're going to learn. I'm going to show you what affiliate marketing is. I'm going to tell you how to get started, and I'm going to give you tips on how to make money almost immediately. I'll be using Jumia Kenya as an example. So with that said, there is one request I'm making. You see that red button just below? Please click on it and make it turn gray. In short, I'm asking you, please subscribe if you're looking for the best channel to learn about online business in Kenya and everything from how to make money online. Please subscribe. Before we continue, I'm giving you a minute. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing in Kenya is a type of marketing where you promote someone else's products and then they pay you in commission whenever you refer a successful sale. I want you to pay attention here because this is a deal breaker. You only get paid when your referral buys something. There are some terms that we need to understand. The first one is affiliate or publisher. So this is you who is referring people to a business. Then there's an affiliate program. So this is an arrangement made by the company to reward people who refer customers to them. For example, the Jumia affiliate program is now known as the COL or Key Opinion Leader program. Then there is the merchant. The merchant is the business that operates the affiliate program. How does it work? So as mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing involves two parties. That's the merchant and the publisher. So the merchant is the business and the publisher is you. You agree the moment you sign up with the program to refer customers to the merchant. And in return, the merchant agrees to pay you part of the sale or percentage in commission. The thing you need to note here is that you don't always get paid in commissions because some programs pay a one-off fee. For example, there is a company in Kenya known as GSOT system, which pays Kenya shillings 2,500 per referral. On the other hand, Jumia pays up to 11% commission for every successful sale you refer. So this means that if you refer someone to Jumia and they buy something worth 1,000, you get up to Kenya shillings 110 in commission. The question is, how do they know you referred someone? Well, every affiliate program comes with a tracking system. So when you sign up, you'll get a special link or code which is unique to you. No one else will have the same affiliate link as you. So whenever someone buys, the system can show who referred that person. I strive just to say. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and how it works, let's look at how you can get started. There are only two steps to get started. The first one is to join an affiliate program, and then the next one is to find a way to promote your links. I've already given you examples of affiliate programs in Kenya. So there's the Jumia affiliate program where you earn up to 11% of commission when you refer customers to Jumia. There's already a video that I created on how to join this program. Click on this pop-up and you should watch that video. I reveal some of the secrets that I use to make up to 2,000 shillings per day promoting products on Jumia. Once you've joined a program, the next thing is now to get people to click your link. So how do you do that? So there are some tactics that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link. The first one is to share the link on Facebook. So there are a lot of Kenyans spending time on social media. If you can find a way to encourage them to click on your link and buy, you can make a lot of money. Here is a proven way to do that. First, identify a group on Facebook with active members. Survey on what topics they talk about most. They should give you an idea of what products they might be interested in, right? For example, if it is a group about cooking, they are more likely to be interested in kitchen appliances. Go to Jumia, get top rated kitchen appliances, generate a trackable product link, make it short, and then share the link on such groups. Here are some pointers. Add some caption to your post, not to look like spam. Look for someone asking for what product and give them your link. The next way is to publish articles on your website. To do that, you first need a blog. Once you have a website, you can start publishing articles. So here is how. So let's assume I want to make money by sending people to Truehost Kenya to buy host. Here is what I will do. I will write an article explaining how to create a website in Kenya, and within the article I will include a link to Truehost Kenya website where people can buy hosting and register a domain for cheap. That link is actually my affiliate link. When someone clicks on it, buys hosting, I'll make money. So here's the secret. The first thing you need to do is to provide value to your reader by helping them solve a problem. And then give them your affiliate links within your content. The things you need to watch out here is avoid adding links everywhere. Only add links to strategic locations like within the introduction, somewhere in the body, and the last paragraph. Make sure the article is valuable, otherwise no one even will click those links. Another way to get people to click your link is building an email list. An email list is exactly what it sounds like. It's a list of emails. These aren't just random emails. You need to build a targeted email list. This means that you need to collect emails from specific groups of people. For example, if I want to promote ladies products on Jumia, I can create an email list comprising only of women. How will I do that? Well, first I need to let them give me their email addresses. This isn't something you can just ask. You need to offer something for free in exchange for their email address. For example, you can offer them a recipe book and they must give you their email to download it. Use tools like MailChimp to help you manage the list. So MailChimp is free and it's an email software. So once you have the list, you can start sending emails about products you think they will like. And those products, of course, contains what? Your affiliate code. Here are tips on how to make money through affiliate marketing. The first tip is to choose the right product. So there are very many different types of affiliate programs. It is important to choose one that fits your interest and goals. For example, if you are looking for something in particular like travel deals, then an online travel agency might be best suited for you. The other tip is to be aware of the rules, terms and conditions. So each type of affiliate program has its own set of policies and guidelines, which can vary from company to company. Make sure to read all the information published on each website before signing up or joining any programs like this. The next thing is reporting. So track exactly how much money you've made through advertising by using tools like Google Analytics dashboard or share a sales stats page. These will help you make some informed decisions about what to work on next and how much money each campaign is generating. There you have it, guys. Follow these tactics I've showed you here and you will be on your way to making money online through affiliate marketing in Kenya. Before I sign out, please make sure you subscribe not to miss the next video. Thank you, guys.
So I'll keep hustling.